Hi, my name is Vibeke and welcome to Diving Ducks Crochet. Today I want to show you how to do this granny square, which is actually not a granny square because it curves. So I don't know what to use it for, so I'm using it as a blanket for my little fallout bobblehead. It's so cute. This is actually one of the hardest granny squares I've ever done. It looks so easy, but it's so hard to do. So I hope you have more luck with it than I did. If you think this is going too fast, if you think the tutorial is going too fast, then remember you can always slow down the speed of the video in the settings below. For the yarn, I've used a DK weight and I've used a 4.5mm crochet hook. And if you love granny squares as much as I do, then go ahead and check out my playlist on my channel page where I show you all the granny squares I've made. And I'm working on doing every granny square in the world, a tutorial of them. So let's begin with this one. We begin with a slip knot. And then we chain 4. So yarn over and pull through 4 times. Now these 3 chains counts as the first double crochet. Then this one, we will do another 3 double crochet into the first chain. So yarn over and insert the hook into this first chain and double crochet. And then you have 2 double crochet. Do another 2 into the same chain on the bottom. 1 and another. So now you have 4 double crochet in total. Then you chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then you do another 4 double crochet into this center. So just yarn over and insert the hook into the center again and double crochet. And then another 3 double crochet in the center. And then we chain 7. And then do another 4 double crochet into the center. Continue this twice more. Then you join with a slip stitch in the top chain up here. And you're finished with your round. Now you chain 1. And then you do a single crochet in this next stitch. And do a single crochet in the next 2 stitches as well. You'll do 1 single crochet in the first 3 chains. So the first one, just 1 single crochet. And then the next one, single crochet into this. And then a single crochet in the next. And then in the next chain, you'll do a corner where you do 1 single crochet, then chain 2, and 1 single crochet in the same chain. Then you do 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 chains. And then 1 single crochet in the next 4 double crochet. And then you make it to these 7 chains again. So the first 3 chains, you do 1 single crochet in each chain. And then the next chain, you'll do 1 single crochet, then chain 2, and then 1 single crochet, the same chain. And then for the next 3 chains, you'll do 1 single crochet in each, then 1 single crochet in each of these 4 double crochet, and then you'll just repeat this all the way around. And now it looks like this. Then you join with a slip stitch in the first chain you did on this round. Slip stitch. And then you chain 3 to begin the next round. 2, 3. And these 3 chains now counts as the first double crochet. Now you do a double crochet in the next stitch. And in the next 7 stitches, actually, you'll do 1 double crochet in each stitch. So continue until you have 7. When you have 7, you meet your first chain 2 space, and you'll do 1 double crochet into this chain space you did in the previous round. Then you will chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then do another double crochet into the same little chain space. So now you did your next little space. This one will close up, so you'll have this big gap and this big gap. Then you continue all the way to the other corner with 1 double crochet in each stitch. And when you make it to the chain space over here, you'll do 7 chains. So first 1 double crochet into the space, then chain 7, and then another double crochet into the same space, and then continue all the way to the other corner where you do the same thing. So now you just continue with 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way to the next corner. When you're all the way around from this round, you will now join with a slip stitch on top up here where you did the chains from the beginning. So just 1 slip stitch. Then you chain 1, and then we do another round of single crochet. So you do 1 single crochet in each of the stitches up here. We will begin with that. So just do 1 single crochet in each double crochet all the way to the corner space. And then in the corner space, you have 7 chains again. In the first 3 chains, we will do 1 single crochet in each chain. So the first one, 1 single crochet, and the next one, 1 single crochet, and then the third one, 1 single crochet. And in the middle one, we will do 1 single crochet, then chain 2, 1, 2, and then another single crochet in the same chain. And then the rest of the 3 chains, we will also do 1 single crochet each chain. So that's how your corner will look. And then you do 1 single crochet in each of the stitches all the way to the other corner. And there you will repeat what you just did over here. You'll do 1 single crochet in the first 3 chains. Then in the middle one, you'll do 1 single crochet, then chain 2 and another single crochet in the same chain. And then single crochet all the way to the next corner. Just repeat this all the way around. To finish the round, you join with a slip stitch in the first chain you did of the round. So now for the final round, you will now chain 3. 1, 2, 3. I think this granny square needs to be blocked. It keeps curling up, but that's another note. This chain 3 now counts as the first double crochet. You will do 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way to the corner. So just 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way to the corner space out here. And in the little chain 2 space we have all the way out at the corner right here, we will do 3 double crochet into this space. So insert the hook into the space, do 1 double crochet, then another double crochet in the same space, and another in the same space. And that's how we turn the corner. Now a double crochet in the next stitch. And we are now ready to go all the way down the side of the square. So that's how your corner will look. All the way down here, you'll do 1 double crochet in each stitch. And at this little gap you have out at the corner right here, you'll do 3 double crochet into the corner space. Then just continue this way all the way around. You join with a slip stitch at the end just to finish the final round. And then you can break the yarn, pull this one through, and you're done. I still think this needs to be blocked. I don't know why it curls, but that's it. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow if you were able to make this. I found it very hard to do, but I hope to see you again next time. Bye!